In this thread, retarded end users. I will start. Be me. Run IT for medium-sized accounting firm, at which I am only employed because my dad is CEO. Know jack about computers besides Steam. But generally that's okay, because the users know even less. About a month into the job, some idiot started saying I do house calls. Wrangle rumor a bit. People bring shit in after hours, and I fix for a fee. Most of the time it's easy cash, malware bites, Windows Updater, or in worst case scenario, I reinstall. But one day, he comes. The user from hell. Fat-ass Indian from marketing, with a legacy ThinkPad. Picture related. Plops the laptop onto my desk and says, "Fix it." I can already tell it's going to be one of those jobs. Powered on. Some obscure Windows error message. Normally, strategy is to keep hitting next and OK, and it'll fix itself eventually. Eventually tells me to load CHKDSK. Computer incompetency kicking in. Figure it might have to do with the CD drive. Pop her open. Immediately notice that the entire thing is encrusted in a thick layer of crumbs. Curious. Tilt machine on its side. Motherfucking crumbs just pouring out. Demand explanation. Motherfucker literally thought the CD drive was an extendable tray and had been putting his breakfast bag on there every morning for 5+ years. Quite literally, a toaster laptop.